Tap the Program button to choose a program on the left side of the screen. Hold the Program button to remove a needless program. Hold the forward/reverse button to restore a deleted program. Tap the Gear Ratio button to change a gear ratio. Tap the Up/Down button of speed to change RPM of the motor. Tap the Up/Down button of torque to change torque of the motor. Tap the Coolant button to set the amount of water inflow. There are 5 levels to choose from. Tap the Forward/Reverse button to set the motor rotation direction in forward or reverse. Tap the Optic button to turn the LED of the motor on or off. Tap the MS button to recall stored data from the memory device one by one. Hold the MS button to save data to the memory device. When the memory indication setting blinks on the screen, choose a memory number to complete the storage process. Once again, hold the MS button to finish the memory process. Please hold the up and down buttons to start the calibration function with a beep before the first operation of the motor. The process takes about 20 seconds. Hold both the forward and reverse and gear ratio buttons to turn on mute. If the motor starts spinning, real-time torque and speed will be displayed on the screen. Thread cutting is a feature for automatic reverse rotation if it reaches a set torque value. The blue button is to control the amount of water inflow. The gray button is to switch programs. The orange button is to change the direction of rotation of the motor. If you step on the center of the pedal, the motor will start spinning. The motor will stop if you release the pedal.